Nature, with all its beauty, sometimes reveals a different side. Astonishing and challenging natural events that showcase the immense power of our planet. From devastating earthquakes to fierce storms and erupting volcanoes, join us as we explore these natural phenomena and their profound impact on human lives.
By the Hangzhou River in China, people gaze in awe at the towering waves, unaware that nature can reveal its fierce and unpredictable side in an instant.
Please take care of people in this disaster. Oh my gosh, the house is going. Oh my God.
Can't see anything. Oh my God, my mirror! I caught that on video. Ah!
Look at this terrifying flood. It's as if Mother Nature is unleashing her fury upon humanity. Look at this terrifying flood. It's as if Mother Nature is unleashing her fury upon humanity.
Вот он. Все. Сульфур.
When a storm arrives, nature reveals its true power. Winds moving at hundreds of kilometers per hour can destroy everything in their path. In such conditions, staying inside and keeping away from windows can save your life. Always seek safe shelters within your home, such as a basement or interior rooms with no windows. Blizzards can be just as dangerous. Zero visibility, sub-zero temperatures, and cold winds create a deadly combination. Never travel in a snowstorm unless absolutely necessary. If you get stuck, stay in your vehicle and wait for help. Being prepared is the key to survival. Always have an emergency kit with water, food, a flashlight, and essential medications readily available. This kit could be the difference between survival and danger. Everything seems calm, perhaps too calm. But within this silence lies a power that is awakening. The moment when the earth and sky collide, the tornado begins. Here, the ruthless power of nature takes shape and nothing in its path is safe.
Power flash, power flash, power flash.